Ako po si Paulo Diet, Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 13 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Face tank. EVR naka 220 volts. Ink storage, ito po yung used and unused. Dito naman po yung Sable paper. Consumable monitoring, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and Sable roll. Sable daily output record. Sable daily checklist.